Setting up your Fire TV. Getting to know your Alexa voice remote. Welcome to Fire TV. In this video, we give a tour of your Alexa voice remote. Keep in mind, there are slight differences between the Alexa voice remotes. Not all Alexa voice remotes include TV controls, like a power button and volume bar. The Alexa voice remote has buttons on the front and a rounded back with a sliding panel to open the battery compartment. The top of the remote has a button in the left corner, which is the power button. The bottom of the remote is mostly empty space. 2 AAA batteries are included. To put the batteries in the remote, press the indentation on the back of the remote and slide the panel open. Insert the batteries with their flat ends toward the small spring at one end of the battery compartment, then replace the battery cover. On the front, opposite from the indentation on the back, is a round navigation ring where the outside ring and center are clickable. The navigation ring has 5 buttons. Moving clockwise, starting at the top of the ring, is up, right, down, left, with select in the center. Just above the navigation ring is the voice search button. Press and hold this button to activate voice control with Alexa. The microphone is the tiny hole right above the voice search button. Speak into that for best results using Alexa. The small button next to the microphone in the top left corner is power. Just below the navigation ring are 2 rows of 3 buttons. On the first row, moving from left to right, you have Back, Home, and Menu. Home has a raised dot. Below that, moving from left to right, you have Rewind, Play, Pause, and Fast Forward. Below these buttons is a vertical volume bar. Pressing at the top end raises the volume, while pressing at the bottom end lowers it. Below the volume button is a single button, which is Mute. To turn on your TV or media system, press the power button on the remote, which is the small button located in the top left corner. For more how-to videos and information on accessibility, visit amazon.com/accessibility.